Cancer, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the month of November. So let's see what energies are going to play out for you, Cancer. Now before I begin, let me wish you all a very happy Diwali, which will be in the first week of November. Have fun and enjoy yourselves with your families. I hope you have a wonderful year ahead with celebrations, joy and happiness. Okay? Great. Let me take a moment to thank all of you for the wonderful love and support that you've shown towards the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Cancer for the month of November. Let's see what energies are playing out for you, Cancer. Remember to like the video and share it on your social media. Also, subscribe to the channel. Help my channel grow. I truly appreciate each and every like and subscription of yours and your shares. Thank you so much. Also, I'll be very happy to do your personal reading in case you're interested. You'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find my website there, where you'll find all my social media links on the website. So do visit my website and let me know how you feel, what you feel about it. Okay, you'll understand all about the mission that I have in this life. I'll appreciate if you just visit there and give me your feedback. Thank you so much. Alright, we'll get you one final card from the angels and then we are ready to roll. Alright. We'll take this at the end. Okay. Let's start. Okay, Cancer. November month for you. You've drawn the new moon in Capricorn. As always, new moons are about new beginnings, new chapters, new phase in life. Okay, so it's a completion of one cycle and the beginning of a new cycle. And as we've seen in your past readings, you are on the brink of completion of that tough cycle of yours, where you were denied a lot of things, you were disrespected, and you're now on the brink of a nice and positive one. So let's see, your hard work is paying off. What did I say? Okay, so beautiful beginning for you, promising beginning for you, Cancer. Your hard work has been recognized. It came across very strongly in your earlier readings. Your hard work, your efforts, your persistence has been recognized. Okay, now always understand that the divine time is always at play. Okay, and the divine timing is very different from our earthly plane timing. Okay, so we want it yesterday, but things take for the entire setting, as we say, for the divine to work. It takes a little while, but understand that you have your hard work, your efforts are recognized and you will be rewarded for that. Now let's see how it is going to play out for you. Beautiful, you've drawn the rainbow, milk and honey. It is an abundance card. Okay, this is about good things coming into your life, positive things coming into your life. There is a specific message probably for one or two who've been worried about their health. It is going to be you will be rejuvenated, you will be healed soon. Okay, concentrate on your diet. This is for a lot of you. Concentrate on your diet. Understand and be aware of what you feed your body with. Okay, so if you have a balanced healthy diet, vegetarian, vegan or non-vegetarian, it does not matter, but make sure you're getting all the nutrients as well as getting enough sleep, because this is the healing time. You see, you've gone through a tough cycle, and now before you welcome the new chapter into your life, your body, your mental body, your physical body, your emotional body, your spiritual body needs to be recuperated, needs to be regenerated, needs to be healed. So take care of your health. Your rainbow is just on the horizon. Beautiful, Cancer. I'm so happy to bring this reading for you. No place like home. Okay, so yes, we have all been more or less restricted to our homes lately due to the pandemic. But the home that this card is talking about is your body. Okay, so your body is your home where you need to feel very, very comfortable. So in each of your bodies, as we know, we have 4 bodies. Okay, your spiritual body, mental body, emotional body, and your physical body. And just as we found the first card which talks about you taking care of your health, taking care of your body, feeding it what it needs. Okay, taking care of your body by exercising, yoga, meditation. Your mind needs to be calmer. So this is about healing. Okay, the message that I'm getting is about this period where to welcome some exciting new phase, you need to be recuperated, you need to be regenerated, you need to be healed in every way possible. So take care of that. Okay, now let's see what other message. You've drawn the Queen of the Unicorns, which is number 40, which works 43, which is about the 7. 7 is a very spiritual number, it's the divine's number. You're being called. The divine is asking you to take care and take it easy. And let's see, you are blessed with love, compassion, and wisdom. So the blessings regarding your relationships, blessings regarding your knowledge, your wisdom, which you are applying in your profession, in your workplace, as well as the love and affection that you have been putting into your relationships, is all going to come back to you. Okay, so what you've been dishing out, you will be dished it back in return. Beautiful. Lovely. This is the yin and yang, the balance of the divine masculine energy and divine feminine energy, which is within each of us. So when we are, suppose, in the divine masculine energy, we are only about doing efforts, go, about passion, about moving ahead, about accomplishing things, about making your dreams come true, a routine life where you are about doing. Okay, and the divine feminine energy, where it is about receiving, where it is about calmness, about nurturing. So this is the balance that you need to understand, because you've been in this divine masculine energy of efforts. Now it is time to take a break. Take the time to heal yourself and be in this divine feminine energy where you are now preparing yourself, your vessel, which is your body. You're preparing your mental body, your physical body, your emotional body, your spiritual body to receive all this love, wisdom, and power that is going to come to you. Okay, so it is about healing. This entire message is about healing yourself. Okay, beautiful. You've drawn the community card, which is 7 again. So you've got 2 7s here. I will ask you to, suggest that you should look up angel number 77 and master number 77. Okay, it's a very divine number. It's divine playing in your life right now, because excuse me, your efforts have been recognized and the divine wants to bless you. And you've drawn the community card, which is about celebration, which is about partnerships, which is about collaboration. Okay, so you may collab. It could be a celebration card on a smaller scale. So you would be celebrating a small victory. So that is an indication that good things are coming into your life, and it begins with a small celebration. Okay, a celebration that brings you this joy. And you're surrounded by the people whom you care about. Okay, and that is this card which is talking about you having a sense of belonging with your community, which may be just your loved ones, probably, which may be in your workplace probably. But this is about coming together to celebrate this beautiful new phase that you are slowly entering. And mark my words, trust me when I say this, Cancer, towards the end of November, life will seem very different to you. Okay, there is this ease, there is this bossing up which we saw. Now that bossing up, as I told you, is in a very positive way, because you have so much to celebrate for. Okay, beautiful. And let's end your reading with ask your angels. Now this is talking about This healing, the message and in the today's reading about November is all about healing. And when if you don't know how to heal yourself, ask the angels, ask the archangels, ask your spirit guides, ask the divine, ask the universe, ask God, whichever almighty power that you believe in. Okay, ask them for help to help you heal yourself in every body. Okay, so you can do your prayers, do your meditation, go for long walks in the nature, water the garden, walk bare feet in the sea or river or in the grass. So just ground yourself, prepare this body, eat healthy and sleep on time, get enough sleep, rest and meditate, which will calm your mind and it will put you in the right frame of mind, in a healed mindset, which will usher in this beautiful healing energy which is going to flow through into your life. And what this healing energy does is, when you show your gratitude to the universe, thank you for this healing, I am healed. Okay, and that is when the divine blesses you with this community, with this excitement, with this celebrations which you so deserve, Cancer. I love this reading for you. Do claim it in the comment section, and I wish and pray that these energies work out for you soon in your life. I wish you all the very best. Once more, a very happy Diwali to all of you. A festival of lights which I pray will bring in a lot of love and light into your life in each and every area of your life. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Namaste.